Welcome to today's webinar replay, everyone. I am David, and I am super excited you decided to tune in. If you missed the live stream, do not worry at all because you are right on time to catch all the best parts. Before I tell you more, make sure to check the link in the description box right now for my full written review article. You will find all the details on the OTOs, the special discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, and the exclusive bonuses that cover different aspects of digital marketing to help you boost your results even further with this product.
Alive! Welcome. Let me know in the chat box if you can hear my voice and let me know if you can see the screen. Today's a very special day as this is literally and quite frankly history in the making. Once more, honestly, I've seen a lot of AI tools. I've had my fair share of them. I'm pretty sure you have seen a ton of AI tools as well. But yet, was I see something as revolutionary as this? It's going to be a fun, value-packed, but more importantly, results-driven session today, because with this, you'll literally, and mark my words, you'll see it live on the demo. We have tons of case studies, tons of success stories. You'll literally will be able to sell any AI tool you own. So if you have a tool that you have access to, go ahead and brush the dust of it, because you'll be able to effortlessly get it sold, and it's all going to be done for you. Let me know if you're excited. I'm going to go ahead and open up the chat. I literally cannot get started until you let me know you can hear my voice and see the screen. So do me a favor, just give me a quick yes if you can, and then we can dive right in. And see, there we go. Eagle saying from Southern Illinois, good to have you. Gus says hello. Neil here in C. Michael says yes. Dave, good to see you. Yuppers coming in. EE saying yes. Perfect. Appreciate you. Keep the interactivity in the live chat. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Good to have you here, Hank, by the way. And as you can see on the screen, this is the world's first DealMaker agent that sets up your digital store, and it then continues to go out and sell your products for you 24/7. It is revolutionary. And this will allow you, and we've seen this time and time again, we're going to show you here today as well, to get real sales even if you're a complete beginner. It goes out there, sells email apps, image apps, designer apps. It does and goes above and beyond to take any app that you own or you already get access to inside the store and make sure you get paying users around the clock. It is so fun to see. Now, with that being said, what you're about to witness here today, honestly, is something most people aren't even aware about yet. Relatively, barely anyone knows about this. However, we're going to show it to you because even the most savvy entrepreneurs have no clue how this is possible, how you can do this, right? Because every day, every week, every month, and even every year, a relative small club of people, including us and soon now you, are silently making thousands of dollars online selling AI apps. I'm talking the most simple people like Harish that has a AI resume app. Just a useful, neat little app. He's doing a nice 4K a month. You got right here Adam Knorr doing about 5K MRR, standing for monthly recurring revenue for his SaaS that helps you write better on LinkedIn. And then we have right here crushing it, Stefano doing 125,000 a month with a document translation app. If you have important documents, long documents that are classified, it goes out there, translates them in full. It's such a smart idea, and he has businesses buying it by the boatloads. Now, what if you had such a smart app like that? And not only yet, how would you like to know if you could sell that effortlessly around the clock? That's exactly what we're going to show you, because in 2026, the market has changed drastically. Let me know if you agree. Let me know if you've noticed this and seen this as well. Information and services, I've said this many times over, are becoming a commodity. It's sad, but it's true. Nowadays, anyone can look any type of information up. They have free access to the internet highway, especially with ChatGPT and the newer models coming out. You can literally look anything up. Your next door neighbor can figure out in 24 hours how to build a funnel, how to set up AI. I mean, it is not that gate kept like it used to be. And that's why right now, businesses value AI apps over, information in general, over even services in general. They'd rather buy an app that does it all for them, that they can use and abuse as many times as they want, instead of having to go through the process of hiring someone, etc. And that's why people, not just businesses, are buying AI apps to save time, save money, and expertise. Let me know if you agree. Let me know if this makes sense. AI apps are literally right now the fastest path to creating a wildly profitable business in 2026. You can see right here how I started a $40K a month AI-powered recruiting app. It is insanely powerful. And what's even crazier is that in today's day and age, it's no longer just for the people that are extremely successful. Anyone can do this. Suhaib doing a nice 10K a month. Now, without having to post on social media, without joining some kind of program, without running paid ads, without having to recruit anyone, without struggling for traffic, and without doing sales calls. We're going to show you exactly how that is possible. And this shift, honestly, is turning beginners into profitable app owners daily. You see it all around us. AI apps are literally taking over the world. And ordinary people, ordinary guys, doing 30K a month with their app. Just a micro SaaS app, just a neat little solution that's just so useful you're willing to pay some bucks for it. And you can see right here, it doesn't even have to be a novel app. I cloned 3 apps and then I'll make 35K a month. Now we're going to show you the entire process behind it because, however, answer the following question. And I might be wrong here, but feel free to let me know. Have you ever bought some kind of AI white label app, an app that you can ideally already sell as your own? Maybe you bought a bundle, an AI app. Let me know. Just give me a yes in the chat box if you have. Wild question. Maybe you haven't. Maybe this is your first time attending a webinar, or maybe you actually have accumulated some really neat, useful apps that you have white label rights to, or at least reseller rights to, that are powerful. You could sell them. Let me know. Just give me a yes. There we go. I see Michael, EE, Neil says more than one, smiley face. There you go. Eagle saying yes as well. Now, if you have, then this sounds familiar, right? And again, let me know if it does. You spend a lot of money on white label AI tools, but none of them have sold as of yet, or at least not as many as you want. On top of that, for some reason, no matter how good that app is and how attractive it is, how much you try, buyers are still not coming in. And it oftentimes feels like you've already tried it all. You've posted on social media, you've done the whole 9 yards, but are yet to see any results. And if that's you, then you came to the right place. This is exactly what we're going to solve today. You see, the problem is you currently simply don't have a reliable way to sell your AI apps on autopilot. No designated tool or agent was made thus far to have a specific solution for that very problem, which is selling white label apps. And this is what Pankaj and Deepankar have solved in a way you have never seen before. It's literally world's first, most powerful deal maker agent that is designed to do exactly that. Any app you own, you're about to make good money with, because it will go ahead and sell it for you. The better the app, the more money you'll make. Because what if I told you that after this training, you'll know exactly how to own high demand apps for any niche, how to get paying customers on autopilot, create a real recurring income. It doesn't require any tech skills, and without worrying about traffic. If I can already spill the beans, it does something so amazing, which is live auctions. It auctions out your apps, and you see people flock to it like birds. It is revolutionary, and I can't wait to see anyone that has access to any type of white label app, or even if you don't have it, you'll be able to actually acquire some. You'll be able to start making good money with them as of today, because this is going to do exactly that. And the best part is, you don't need any sales skills, you don't need any marketing skills, you don't need to post on socials, and don't need to be technical. That chatbot app you have, that content writing app you have, that image creator app you have white label rights to, that voiceover app you have white label rights to, that video app you have white label rights to, all of them will finally see the light of day. So with that being said, I hope you're excited. Let me know if you are, because this is not just information. What you're about to witness is transformation. You're going to literally go through a massive growth because you've already accumulated the assets. Now you will finally be able to get them out there in the easiest way possible. So who's staying until the end? Now that you know what we're going to talk about, let me know if you're excited. Just give me a yes in the chat box. If you're staying until the end, just give me a yes. And if you do, you know how we like to roll. We always give away attendance bonus packages. We send these over through the mail. And either way, it's going to be a value-packed session. So drop a yes, even if you haven't said a word so far. I see Michael's very excited. Dave's here. Neil dropping yeses. Neil even asking already, can this also sell affiliate offers? Well, you'll be amazed. I can't wait to get to the demo portion. It is so darn good. If you have any questions, we are obviously live, guys, so you can ask anything. Without further ado, let's dive into the 3 secrets we'll be sharing here today, because I want you to understand this is also a training. This is not just a show and tell. We want to answer your questions and make you a better entrepreneur than before you came on here today. And this is going to allow you to do that. Secret number 1, we're going to reveal the DealMaker Agent. Now, people will quite frankly be so jealous of you, because this is allowing beginners, and I'm going to show you them in a second, a promising 5-figure a month from absolute scratch using a brand new DealMaker Agent. And if you wonder, oh, what's a DealMaker Agent? That's exactly what we're going to show you. On top of that, I'm going to show you how to get recurring app income, how to generate real paying users for your app with absolute ease by tapping into the explosive demand starting today. And then better yet, the insider special, because you were smart enough to show up to the live webinar. You could have been anywhere. You could have been sleeping. You could have been outside. You decided to show up and invest your time here today into finding a solution to grow your business. That's what smart entrepreneurs do. And that's going to pay off here today. You'll be able to get access, an insider special, something that nobody outside of this webinar will be able to get access to. And we're going to over deliver in the biggest way we've ever done so far. So consider yourself lucky for being here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get access or get started with the DealMaker Agent. Now, if you haven't noticed already, businesses right now need more help than ever in 2026, right? Especially with this digital transition happening from AI and agentic AIs, businesses are desperate, to keep up. You can see right here, the adoption, 74% of companies are struggling to adopt. Right here on top of that, businesses that ignore AI today might struggle tomorrow, and it's already happening. And furthermore, you can see here as well, if I zoom out, companies that can't keep up with AI will literally die. It is insane, but that's the reality. It's going so fast. Now, here's a very important question for you to consider. And I want you to really think about this question, because once you understand the answer to this, you know exactly the potential you have and what's about to happen next. You see, let's put yourself in the shoes of a local business owner, or any business for that matter. What would you do as a business owner? Would you pay $2,000 to wait for someone to create your videos or images or articles or custom plans, or invest maybe $200 instead into a top quality AI that basically does it for you, or everything for you, whenever you want, how many times you want, every single time? As a business owner, or any owner for that matter, which route do you take? Hiring someone to create a video and paying them top dollar, or literally that exact same video, getting an app so you can do it as many times as you want, over and over again? There you go. B, hands down. Now, this is what's happening right now, and businesses are becoming a more smarter about this. They're realizing this more, and they're becoming more aware of this. Like, hey, there's an AI tool. Like, why do I have this entire thing here, or this entire department here? I have this AI tool. And it's sad, but it's true. And because of this very reason, the software app market is booming. It is going crazy. Ordinary people, literally normal people, are selling AI apps and are making money every single day. Right? Normal gentlemen doing 12K a month. Now, you can see right here, will create a web application. They're charging at least $1,990, close to 2K. They already got 118 reviews. Now, the reason for this, there's a very good explanation for this, is that businesses are excessively right now investing in buying apps. They're even getting funded to buy apps. And people invest, hey, go and, update your business. Go and buy more apps. Go and, get newer. It's something that is currently happening all over, and it's only getting bigger and bigger. You can see the data right here by McKinsey & Company. The demand for AI apps is experiencing explosive growth. Not just growth. You can look this up. McKinsey & Company, one of the best consultation and research companies out there, driven by enterprise needs for automation. They want efficiency. They want personalized experiences alongside consumer adoption. Right here, even on Amazon, they said the AI app market size is booming. It's surging, in their exact words. So with that being said, selling AI applications allows you to instantly tap into a high demand niche. That's just clear, right? You can make at least anywhere, and if you look this up, anywhere from 1,000 to 20,000 a month recurrently by targeting specific niches and, you know, just solving singular problems like the translation app I showed earlier or mentioned earlier. You can see once again here that AI app sector is experiencing massive expansion, creating significant revenue earning opportunities. Now, with this being true, after us diving deep into this, doing deep research, what we realized next was shocking. And this is something you probably have found out the hard way as well. And that's where, despite this insane demand that is happening, literally in front of our eyes, the numbers don't lie, the market's proving it, people that own perfectly sellable apps, like you might have right now, have no way to sell them. And the reason for this is there's lots of time and money wasted on, you know, if you don't have the app, you might want to create one yourself. That takes time. You need to learn the code, etc. But on top of that, the copywriting for it, then the sales video for it, the emails for it, the marketing for it. You need to build a website. You need to create content around it. You need to, you know, make it graphically appealing. You need to host everything you're doing. You need, you know, to ongoing features, keep upgrading the app. You need to have a proper sales page. I mean, the list goes on and on. All this to just sell your apps. And then let alone go out there and get ongoing traffic. And if we add all of this up, it takes at least $2,000 per month at the bare minimum just to create and sell your apps on an ongoing basis. All right, you need chatbots, you need, you know, to create this, you need to create the app, or if you don't have an app, etc. It takes a lot. And that's the problem why so many people have amazing apps and tools and AI tools that are collecting dust because they have no way to set up the infrastructure to go out and sell them with ease. Now, what if I told you that that is all about to change? You see, Pankaj and Deepankar, they have trained and built the ultimate solution that allows anyone to sell apps starting today. Actual literal income from the apps that you want to sell in your bank account starting today. You see, they've been spending a whole year creating what they call a DealMaker Agent. There's nothing like this out there that sells your apps for you 24/7 around the clock. It creates a legitimate storefront, promotes that storefront, and does unique actions like auctions, etc. to go ahead and get your apps sold. Now, before I actually go ahead and show you the demo on the inside, who would like to have a quick sneak peek? Let me know in the chat box. Who would like to have a quick sneak peek of what I'm talking about here? There you go. Me. I need some energy in the chat. Who here would love to see a quick sneak peek? And if I can tell, you know, blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this. The amount of money and research and development of this, you're getting state-of-the-art, world's first. And it's so powerful. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek. I see lots of yes coming in. There you go. That's the energy. And then after the sneak peek, we'll come back and go ahead and do a proper all-out demo. So with that being said, let me go ahead and see here with the team how we're looking. I'm going to ask them where we're at with the sneak peek as we prepared something special for you.
Jake asks what business we run. We answer real estate. Recognizing the niche, Jake instantly recommends the real estate AI assistant.
there you go. All right, so the team is getting the promo ready. I can't wait to show it to you. Now, meanwhile, let me ask you a question. Imagine you have access to the newest technology in AI today that sells your AI apps for you 24/7. It goes out there, it takes the apps you want to sell, creates the marketplace for it, makes the deals for it, finds the people that want to buy it. Knowing how lucrative right now, if you just look, in an overview at the market in general right now, what's happening in the world, knowing how lucrative the market is, and honestly, you can see right here, the app market is highly lucrative, and the results are through the roof. Do you see yourself, if you were able to tap into this in a way nobody else can, do you see yourself making tons of more money if you had backdoor access to have your own app sold daily? Let me know. Can you imagine it? Do you see yourself being able to pull that off? The very fact that right now we live in a world where AI apps are so desired, businesses are being pushed literally to buy apps to survive or just stay up to date with modern day technology, and you being able to sell that in an unfair advantageable way nobody else can, do you see yourself making a whole lot more? Let me know in the chat box. Awesome. I see lots and lots of yeses coming in. Awesome. With that being said, let's go ahead and just dive right into the demo right here.
Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wanted to launch your own self-selling software store, sell AI agents, or offer automated digital products or services without writing a single line of code, you are in the exact right place. This is Appsfield, the all-in-one AI platform that builds, customizes, markets, and automates full-fledged digital marketplaces for you. Right here on our main dashboard, you get a complete command center for your business. At a glance, you can track real-time revenue, monitor your total order volume, see your total customer enrollments, and view dynamic sales graphs that show how your business is performing over time. Let's jump right in and build a brand new AI software marketplace from scratch in under 60 seconds. To launch a new store, simply click the New Marketplace button at the top right of your screen. First, choose your business model. You can set up a single vendor store, a multi-vendor marketplace, or a specialized marketplace agent store. Let's name our store Local Business Softwares, and now we'll give our AI builder a short brief. We'll type, create a marketplace for local businesses like real estate, gyms, restaurants, and dentists that provides tools to help run their operations. Next, let me show you how fast customization is. Choose your color theme. We offer sleek palettes like Enterprise or Bold. Then pick your storefront style. Themes like Nitro give you an ultra-modern, high-converting dark mode look. Upload your custom logo and favicon directly from the built-in media library, and tag your primary product categories like CRM, marketing, design, and AI agents. Now, watch the magic happen. Click Launch Marketplace. In seconds, Appsfield's AI engines go to work, generating high-converting headline copy, applying your theme, writing custom FAQs, adding customer reviews, importing matching SaaS products, and training your store's dedicated AI sales representative. And just like that, our store is built, published, and completely live. Let's click Visit and open our new storefront. Notice how clean, fast, and professionally branded everything looks. From the headline banner down to the category navigation pills, lifetime deal cards, customer testimonials, and FAQs. It looks like a multi-million-dollar software marketplace built by a team of developers. Now, here is where Appsfield completely changes the game. Meet Ryan, your built-in AI DealMaker sales representative. When a visitor lands on your site, Ryan greets them and acts as a 24/7 interactive sales agent. Let's test it out. The customer clicks Start the Conversation, and Ryan asks for their name and business type. The buyer replies, I run a social media marketing agency. Ryan instantly analyzes their agency model and recommends the perfect tool from our catalog, Market Genius. Ryan explains how it automates email marketing, breaks down the key features, and gives them a button to watch a live product video. If the customer decides to buy, they don't even have to leave the chat. They simply say, I want to buy Market Genius. Ryan presents payment options, either full price at $349 or a single share installment at $99. Once selected, a seamless checkout card pops up directly inside the chat window. The customer enters their contact info, chooses their payment method, and completes their purchase in seconds. But what if a client needs something completely custom that isn't listed in your catalog? Watch this. The buyer types, "I want an AI voice calling platform to automate my calling system for support management." Ryan reads their message, understands the intent, and dynamically drafts a customized project proposal right on the spot. It outlines planned features like calling automation, an AI support agent, and database storage. It then collects the lead's name, email, phone number, and business details, submitting a formal custom project request straight to your admin dashboard. That is hands-free, high-ticket selling. As the store owner, you receive instant email notifications the moment a sale or custom proposal comes in. Inside your Appsfield admin panel, under the DealMaker Agent tab, you can inspect full conversation logs, buyer transcripts, lead contact details, and intent tags. You also have total administrative control over your AI sales agent. You can change Ryan's voice model, pick a calm or energetic tone, adjust the chat window position, and change the background themes. Most importantly, under Knowledge Base, you can train your AI agent. You can specify your target audience, upload custom FAQs, add your specific refund policy or money-back guarantee, and give it custom sales instructions so it speaks with your exact brand voice. Over in Page Settings, you can fine-tune your website layout, update promotional banners with custom discount text, enable trust badges like Stripe and PayPal verification, configure payment settings, and connect your own custom domain name so your store remains 100% white-labeled under your brand.
Now, let's look at how you manage products, order fulfillment, and scale your sales. You don't need to create software products from scratch. Under the Products tab, click Import DFY Products. Appsfield gives you access to a catalog of preloaded SaaS tools, lead generators, and AI tools that you can import with a single click. You can set your own prices, add custom video demos, write access instructions, and set custom affiliate commission percentages. When orders come in, managing them is effortless. On the Orders page, you can review incoming transactions, mark manual payments as complete, enter custom license keys or portal access links, and automatically send access delivery emails to your buyers.
For custom proposals submitted by your AI agent, your project requests pipeline lets you track custom jobs from started to completed, while automatically keeping your clients updated. To scale your store organically, turn on the built-in affiliate engine. Your customers and partners can apply to promote your store, access their white-labeled affiliate dashboard, grab referral links, and use pre-written email swipes and promotional banners, allowing an army of affiliates to market your store for you.
Driving traffic is usually the hardest part of online business, but Appsfield solves this with two built-in traffic engines: inbound SEO and outbound lead generation. For inbound SEO traffic, head to the SEO and Growth section. Our AI keyword generator finds high-converting, low-competition keywords in your niche. Click Generate Blog next to any keyword, and in less than 30 seconds, Appsfield writes and publishes a full multi-section SEO article, complete with headings, formatted copy, featured cover images, and strategic buy buttons linking straight back to your software products.
For outbound B2B outreach, launch the built-in Lead Finder tool. Type in any business niche and target city, for example, cafes in Austin. Click Find Leads, and Appsfield pulls verified business records, phone numbers, and direct email addresses. Click Send Email next to any lead, select a pre-made outreach template, and Appsfield automatically personalizes the message and pitches your software solutions directly to business decision makers.
To supercharge your social media and paid advertising, open the store's Marketing Studio. Select your store,
Pick your aspect ratio, and our generative AI engine creates eye-catching graphic ads and realistic UGC video promos, complete with AI avatars, voiceovers, and captions, ready to run on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Finally, link your account to Telegram. Scan the QR code, and you'll get instant push notifications delivered straight to your phone whenever you make a sale, capture a new lead, or receive a project request.
In summary, Appsfield gives you store creation, automated 24/7 AI sales reps, done-for-you software catalogs, automated order delivery, AI blogging, B2B lead outreach, social ad creation, and mobile alerts, all in one unified platform. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Launch your marketplace and start making sales today.
Wow, wow, wow. Who here absolutely loved what they just saw and saw the power of the ultimate #1 and world's first agent? And it's not just an agent, it's a whole system designed to sell your apps for you. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Let me know if you enjoyed that. And if you saw the value, it literally not only sets up your entire store, it drives traffic. It reaches out to businesses. It finds people. It sets up blogs with high intent keywords that generate SEO traffic and sends all that traffic to your SaaS store. You have a one-stop shop, an e-commerce store where finally your white label tools, your offers, your affiliate offers, the things you wanted to sell have a hub where they can get sold. And it's not just that. You have a DealMaker agent that even demos the apps for you, that does promotions for you, that markets for you, and that ongoingly sends traffic. There will never be a day where there's not somebody visiting your site, your store, browsing through what amazing apps or bundles they can buy from your platform. Let me know who here absolutely loved what they just saw and wants their own Appsfield AI agents. I see Sai saying franchise level. Good to have you here, Sai. I see Hank saying I love this. And it's about time, because honestly, I've seen so many people with so many good white label tools. You've access to some of the latest and greatest things, but you just need a platform and a system that sells those tools for you. And that's exactly the solution that these two geniuses came up with. Super excited to show you more. So that is DealMaker Agent. And it's literally the result of people right now doing from ground up 10K a month, having ongoing leads coming to the store, people that are adding multiple products to the cart and just checking out. And it is so fun to see every single day you see new sales come in. Now, speaking of which, I quickly want to talk about recurring app income. Because let me tell you a little secret, getting clients for this, getting buyers and users for the apps you want to sell, and even the inbuilt done-for-you apps that come with Appsfield AI that are some of the highest converting right now, that is the easiest part of all. They've actually made, getting buyers, they made that the easiest part. And one of the reasons for this is, simply because they looked at the market. The demand for AI apps, once again, is extremely high. Not just high or a lot, but you have the wind in your favor. You can see right here, the high demand for AI apps is driving explosive market growth with global consumerism, spending over, generative AI mobile applications surpassing billions of dollars. And that's why there's a simple 3-step AI app income that is waiting for you the moment you have Appsfield AI. That is #1. You either pick any of the done-for-you reseller apps that come with Appsfield, or you plug in your own. If you have any white label tools you want to sell, any AI tools you have access to, any products you have access to, you can plug them in. The app's going to go, or the agent's going to go ahead and analyze everything. It's going to do its due diligence, going to create a beautiful storefront. It's going to understand who the person is that might need this, go out, create the blog, get the keywords, get the traffic, find the people that need it, send the traffic to it, and will instantly launch your SaaS marketplace. Put everything there nice and neatly, and from there, your DealMaker agent drives traffic, even does demos and sells the app. And even if people say, well, the price a little bit low, maybe you're selling an app for, $400, $497, and it even makes deals. It's a DealMaker agent. It says, well, deal price isn't discount. It starts working for your business this week with a money back guarantee. There's no coupon that beats that math. Do you want to grab it? It uses smart negotiation tactics A DealMaker Agent is trained on 8-figure deals. If you've ever read the book, Never Split the Difference, tactics like those. And even if the person is hesitant, I don't know, let me think about it, smartphone. So you're thinking about the right thing. Is it the price or whether it actually works for you? And it goes and shows a demo, and all of this that you normally have to do yourself is being done for you around the clock 24/7. You can use, on top of that, Appsfield AI for yourself, but you can also set this up for clients. There's so many people out there that want to have access to what you're witnessing right now. They just don't know it exists. And that's why businesses will fall in love with you. You'll have something so unique where they have to snap their finger and they have an entire store, an AI that sells products for them, traffic coming in, they have blogs being created for them. It's all just around the clock happening. And in order to do this, we have what we call the guaranteed recurring income AI apps template. Now, this template's been tested to the T. Some of you might know this is, the highest reply rate template that gets you buyers every time. And that's this. Hey, business name, I saw you were, doing either maybe ads or just putting out some content. So I assumed you're looking to attract and convert more people on your website. And that's always the answer. They're always looking to, attract and convert more people on the website. So you're kind of saying a rhetorical thing here, but it's just to create relatability. From there, it says, I actually happen to specialize in this field using AI apps. If you want, I'm more than happy to send you some usable apps that help you generate more sales and be more productive for the next 7 days. And if it doesn't work, you won't have to pay a dime. Now, having the agent spread this message around the clock gets you visitors to your store, buyers to your store, non-stop. Now, your AIs will sell like hotcakes. Let me know in the chat box. Can you see this? Can you imagine? Do you see how this is one of the easiest AI revenue streams where you literally just hand over your white label AI apps or use any of the done for you ones that are already plugged into your store, and then let it take the steering wheel from there. It's going to go ahead and talk to people. It's going to negotiate. It's going to sell. And every day you see, ka-ching, a new AI tool has been sold. This person added 4 things to their cart. We just shown the demo to this particular person. Around the clock, a dedicated agent and system, not just an agent, but an entire system, because you're also getting a full-fledged store that sells AI tools for you. This has been missing for the longest time in the industry. There's always so many great tools for agency owners that sell services, but what about the people that sell AI apps that have access to white label tools? And that's why this is going to create so many more success stories than it already has. Let me know, do you see how this is one of the easiest AI revenue streams? And if you have, you've just seen secret number 2, the recurring app income. Quite honestly, if you have, and even if you just have one white label AI tool, even if you just have one, you ever bought a bundle or an AI app and you said, you know what, let me get the reseller, then this is already more than worth it, because it's going to sell the heck out of that particular AI tool. It won't sleep until it goes ahead and make sure you have nonstop people visiting your SaaS marketplace. So that being said, you've just seen what's possible. My only question is, who here wants to wake up tomorrow with Appsfield AI already making sales while you have slept? And I'm not just saying that, quite literally. Neil Moritz, I don't know if Neil's here. Let me know, Neil, if you're here in the chat. And that's Neil Moritz. I know we have a Neil Cooperman in the room as well, who said, my store closed the sale while I was asleep. And that's living proof. That is the beauty. That is, the number one thing you want to accomplish as an entrepreneur is making money while you sleep. And that's exactly what this has done, and it has been continued doing for all of our users. As long as you get a good AI tool to sell, it can go out there and sell it, because the market is booming. You have the favor right now of the entire industry in your back. So that being said, if you want to know everything you're getting here today, let me know in the chat box, because you're going to get the whole 9 yards. First of all, the Appsfield AI premium account, the beast of a system and agent that in a matter of clicks is set up and running, and you literally own a store. That's the fun part. You actually own an online store, which I don't know about you, but I always loved owning an online store that and no, doesn't require you to be there all the time, and it goes out there and sells the products for you and actually generates traffic without, having to post on social media all the time or even run paid ads. Now, this means you're going to get access to immediately, in case you don't have any white label tools, but I assume you might have, but in case you don't, you're going to get 10 ready to sell AI software products. Now, this is something we're specifically doing on the webinar because we don't want to have, a ton of people, selling the same product. So we actually made a very careful curation, and only for the people on this webinar. We've done the math. You're going to get done for you apps included immediately within your system, meaning you have a complete done for you AI app store. You can literally tell the agent, you know what? I want a marketplace of AI tools that I can sell for gyms. And boom, you have the marketplace and you have all the different AI apps for gyms, right? And it's going to drive, it's going to create blogs and posts, what to eat, what not to eat. And then in those blogs, it's going to recommend the AI apps in your AI store. It is such a genius system that just gets you sales whether you like it or not. On top of that, you're going to get 10 ready-made AI software products you can sell immediately. These are high quality. These are premium apps that you immediately have access to, and they're being sold on your store. You have automated product access and delivery. So once somebody buys something, you don't have to manually send an email or, do all of that tech stuff. When somebody pays, they immediately get access, you get the money, and it's all seamless transaction. Now, you have a commercial license included, and it doesn't stop there. You also have the ability to let the DealMaker AI sell for you. And that's where the real magic happens, because the DealMaker does one thing really well, which is handle objections. Before you leave the stores, hey, was something not all right? Are you looking for anything? This will increase your conversions by so much more, because you have a specialized person always going out there and making sure all the objections are handled, if any, and better yet, making sure it gets you the traffic. So it qualifies every visitor, and then it actually recommends them the best product. On top of that, it plays product demos directly inside the conversation. I mean, how amazing is that? It's talking to a person, and then it's going to say, hey, you know what? Would you actually like me to show you a demo of how this would solve your problem? Let's say the person says, you know what, I'm spending a lot of time, going over client reporting and putting this together, and you have an automation for it. And say, hey, we actually have an app that might just help you. Would you like me to demo it? Well, of course, the person is going to say yes, and then you pretty much already got them sold. Now, furthermore, you have a realistic AI voice that talks, the exact same voice you heard, on this, demo here today. That was super easy to follow, super clear, great pronunciation, no robotic voice. You have a built-in upsell engine, and this is insane. This is something that's recently been added, and that's what I love about Deepankar and Pankaj, who always go all out on all of their stuff. Now, the upsell engine, when it realizes, all right, you just bought the AI writer tool, but most people that have text usually includes images. So how about you also add the image studio? Now, you might also be interested in the voice agent. This is literally what businesses like Amazon do, where when you check out, let me know if you notice, you check out and below it says, people also bought. And they're doing that for a reason. It's because it will, put you in a place where, I might just add this in as well. Since I'm already purchasing, let me go ahead and add that in there as well. And DealMaker works the exact same way. Now, it has a custom knowledge-based training, 4 chat layouts, 13 background themes to fit any type of brand, full conversation reports, and a built-in leads inbox. You can see all your buyers, all your leads, the requests that are coming in, what people are looking for. I'm interested in X, Y, and Z. It's all there. Now, if that's not enough, you'll have your entire and own AI software marketplace completely handled for you, meaning an instant live store URL. Yes, you can do custom domain live, but you can literally also just get up and running with the hosting and domain of Appsfield AI. You have a full page builder with real-time preview, professional store templates that look sleek and designed well to fit, with the target audience, searchable storefront with categories. So it's not just a mess like all over the place, but people know here's all the logo and design apps. Here's all these types of apps. It curates everything accordingly. You have a bestseller and featured product badges and cinematic visitor shopping experience. And that's what makes it beautiful. It does things like live auctions. It does timers. Like, hey, you know what? We're doing away this 4-deal bundle pack of some of our best marketing apps. First come, first serve. These are the bids that are happening right now live. choose which one or how high you want to go. We're adding in a launch coupon. I mean, everything that you see the big rollers do when you've ever attended a webinar, or when you bought apps yourself, you literally have for yourself for all the tools you own, and it's being done for you 24/7. So I have to ask, who here is loving everything they're getting so far? Just give me a quick yes if you do, because I'm quite certain you've probably never seen anything like it. I had never seen anything like it, and I absolutely love it. It's such a genius and powerhouse of a system that it's a must-have. If you have AI tools, you're sitting on money. You're literally sitting on money. AI tools are so lucrative to sell, you just need to wait to sell them. And here's why this matters. When you have access to this, you go from, not knowing, zero sales, not knowing what to do with the tools and all the value you have, to having an AI agent getting visitors, getting them to buy and select the products they want. And the DealMaker agent does all the work for you. You can literally go from zero to a wildly profitable AI store on autopilot. And we give you obviously all the hand holding, the launch blueprint. You're not on your own. We're there to actually make sure you see those results. So let me know once again who is absolutely loving it. I see lots of yeses. Hank says, I gotta have this. Amazing. This follows a tried and true e-commerce business model, but the demand is so much higher. Very well said, Side. That's exactly it. I love it. I see lots of yeses coming in. Now, there's one thing you probably know, but let me tell you anyways, because you're on this webinar, you might know what's coming on next. Because you're on this webinar, we're going to over-deliver. We're going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. I mean, the live webinar will always get you, the best deal, the best bonuses, and the biggest discount that you will find nowhere else. And that means because you're here, you will unlock what we call the full webinar only bundle deal. These are all the additional upgrades at a massive steal. And I want to spill the beans, but I just can't. I still have to wait a little bit, but you'll be so surprised when I'll tell you the insane thing that Deepankar and Pankaj have done to make this, worth its weight in gold. So let me tell you, who here wants the entire webinar only bundle deal? Go ahead and comment yes in the chat box. And with that being said, we see lots of yeses coming in already. That means on top of the Appsfield AI premium account valued at $4,997, you're also getting the whole 9 yards, the special webinar bundle. I'm going to put it up on the screen here. And you're going to see firsthand the amount of value you're going to get is insane. So let me know if you can see it. First and foremost, this is a special page. We're only going to show you here. Nobody else will get to see this page. And that means on top of everything I already showed you with the commercial, you're getting the done for you app store, the 10 ready to sell, done for you AI software products, the DealMaker agent, the visitor qualification. I've shown you all of these things that you're getting. Now, on top of that, you're going to get access to the pro version. Now, this has the client finder integrated. So it always goes out there and finds clients. It never gets tired of it. It has Telegram integration, so you can manage your entire store from Telegram. It has custom domain integration, so you can set up your own brand, your own custom domain. Automated SSL, that means your site is completely safe and visitable for anywhere around the world. You have custom SMTP, so you can send out your own emails to all the buyers. You have white label storefront. You have 5 additional premium store teams. You get premium agent voices that sound even more realistic. Bulk product importer is my favorite, because uploading and importing these products one by one is a hassle in terms of tedious. It's not a hassle. It's seamless. It's easy to do, but it's tedious. If you have 15 AI tools you want to sell in your store, uploading them one by one is not fun. So with the pro version, you can upload in bulk and boom, your store is live and ready to go. We even have a CSV product importer, so you can just list out the names on a file, upload the file, and it will do everything for you there. Link-based product importer, if you just have all the links of the products, all the sales page links, say no more. It will know exactly what to do and build your entire store with all the details that it gets from the sales pages, and you get priority support. So we're there to actually help you with that. Now, on top of the pro, you're also going to get the unlimited. And this is insane, especially if you get to hear what I'm about to reveal shortly. You're going to get to be able to have unlimited stores, unlimited products, unlimited DealMaker agent conversations, unlimited leads, unlimited coupons, unlimited deals, unlimited auctions. Now, auctions are the most fun part. Whenever an auction is happening on your store, you always walk away with at least $200 to $300 hands down. So the auction feature is so fun. You'll notice every now and then your store does an auction, everybody gets notified, people start bidding, and it's so fun. And then you start seeing, the highest bidder wins, they get the transaction, everything is seamless, they get access to the app, so you get paid, and it takes it from there. Now you're gonna unlock all the store templates, and there's no volume caps. Now, before I carry on, once again, let me know who here is loving the value of the bundle already, the commercial, the pro, and the unlimited. And if you do, let me tell you one thing, it's only going to get better. I see Shane saying amazing. Michael says yes. Is it possible to integrate with custom SMTP? Yes, you even get that. Shane is asking, are there any recurring charges? Well, stick around and you'll find out. And honestly, I don't want to spill the beans, but you'll be surprised. I see Dave saying yes. Michael says yes. And guys, like I said, this is just the beginning. You're also going to get our digital products. So on top of the apps, you can increase the value of the apps with the digital products, meaning you can add 10 done for you info products that we give you, add up to 50 info products. So let's say somebody buys an app on, social media marketing app. Then an info product is, how to dominate Instagram. So they can use that information together with the app they own, which immediately increases the order bump, increases the value of the purchase. Let me know if that makes sense. Now that's the level you're getting access to, and it's all done for you. 100% profit on info product sales as well. You get the services store mode, so you can even turn your store into a surface base. So if you have marketing services you can sell, they can go to the surface section and say, you know what, instead of an app, I actually want to hire you as well to do this or that. So you have the surface store mode, the AI agent surface selling, which makes the agent go out there and instead of selling apps, he will sell your services. Automated surface buyer support, so we actually make sure you have full support. Zero info product hosting cost, all the access to everything, to the apps and to the the material and the products and the videos of the info products they have or you have for free. Zero info product delivery cost, and you get full licensing monetization, all the ebooks and the PLR assets you're getting to be able to sell alongside your apps. So the digital product add-on increases your average order value by far. And I'm the type of guy, if I'm buying an app and that app has an order bump for, let's say, another 27 bucks saying, oh, also get our 10 best practices blueprint to use with the app. I'm like, you know what? Why not? I want to get the most out of what I just bought. And that's the smart thing that Appsfield does. And it actually, sells that for you. Now, if that's not enough, you also get access to the entire marketing department. And that's where you really see the magic happen of the traffic coming in, because it's going to generate smart and targeted SEO blocks around your apps, keywords that people search for all the time. It's going to create a lot of content around it. And every piece of content refers back to your store where you sell the apps related to the blog. AI marketing images are done, the videos are done. And if you know anything about Pankaj and Deepankar, they are geniuses when it comes to videos, highest quality videos you'll have, social media content. You basically have an engine always sending traffic to your stores as well, on top of what's already built in. Now, to make it even better, the franchise. And this is where the true magic and everything comes together. You have a multi-vendor marketplace mode. So you have a multiple marketplaces. You can have multiple vendors. You have a vendor application system, vendor approval system. So you can allow other people to run a franchise. They can pay you. And let's say your store is doing well and say, hey, I'm opening up for franchise. You can take it over. This is the franchise fee. This is the rev share you pay me every single month from your store. And they can go and leverage everything that you've set up and you've built. It's automated vendor payouts. You have built-in affiliate program, affiliate application system. So now you're really running an empire. And having this set up is such a smart move. You even have client sub accounts, client stores that you can set up, a done-for-you service kit, proposals, contracts, and 100% revenue is allocated to you. You're getting the whole 9 yards. And, like I said, my favorite part are the live action auctions, the coupons and flash deals. I mean, you're going to see so much traction, so much action happening in your store. It is a sight to see. So let me know who here is loving everything they're getting so far. I'm going to put it on the screen once again. You're getting on top of Appsfield AI Premium, the Pro upgrade. You're getting the unlimited mode. You're getting the digital product mode. You're getting the AI marketing mode. And you're getting the franchise as well. Total value of $31,489 put together. And because you're on this webinar, we're also adding a webinar bonus pack, which I'll reveal shortly. Now, I see lots of people saying, I love this. You guys are great. It's going to get even better, trust me. Because if you haven't realized already, I don't have to tell you, with Appsfield AI, you can easily make 5K per month. You can see right here, Suhaib doing a nice 10K. You know, Suhaib he's no one special. He's just a regular guy who's taking advantage of the market right now. Same goes for Stefano. Same goes for Charlie. Now, outside of this special webinar, for that very reason, there's nothing like this out there right now. So we have no problem charging $6,997 a year for people to use Appsfield. There's so many people that have white label AI tools that don't know how to sell it. I mean, we're able to sell this for $6,997 annual without a problem, even if we took 50% off, because they'll finally see sales coming in ongoingly for the amazing tools. Honestly, I see some people have access to such powerful AI tools, whether it's a video editor, whether it's, you know, an agent, sometimes it's an agentic tool, even more worth, but they don't have a way to sell it. Now, if we do the math, let's say you take a simple product, one of your basic products, a typical, you know, standard software might sell for like $37 a month, right? You get your subscription, $37 a month. You can see right here, all the sales coming in, $37, $37, $37. Sometimes somebody buys a bundle that's $230. Now, if we do the basic math, right? Every day you get a minimum of at least 10 sales. Right? 37 times 10, that is $370 per day. Now, from there, times 30 days, that's 14.1K a month. So now it just becomes a numbers game. It starts with $37, but it quickly adds up to 14.1K in a month, because you have a DealMaker engine that keeps sending traffic, and you're working in the highest lucrative niche right now where everybody, the entire market, is demanding AI apps. And this is just the bare minimum. We're not even talking upgrades. We're not even talking live auctions. We're not even talking bundles. And you can see it right here, left, right, and center. Now, with that being said, Appsfield AI has a built-in earning mechanism, and that makes this so much worth. This is not one of those tools where you get it and then you still have to figure out how to make money with it. When you get it, the money is built in. And that's why on the webinar, we figured initially to sell it for $1,997 annual, which is a more than fair price for such a powerful beast of an agent and system like this, especially since it's one of a kind. You can't go out there, you can't find anything like this. And that makes it even more worth than it already is. However, we're not going to do that. It won't be $1,997 annual. It won't even be $497 annual. Now, trust me, $497, let me know if you agree, is already quite the discount. I would happily personally pay $500 a year to have all my apps being sold for me on autopilot around the clock. Let me know in the chat box if you do that in a heartbeat. All right. Now, you're getting support, you're getting hand-holding, you're getting additional training, and you're making money because the AI deal agent goes out there and sells apps for you. $500 a year is nothing. To get access to the unlimited, the upgrade, the digital product add-on, the marketing's done for you. And we have an amazing webinar bonus pack that I'm yet to review. However, even that we are not going to do. I see Sai saying that's a no-brainer. Michael saying yes. Shane is excited for this. Now, let me tell you, comment live to prove that you're here live, to prove that you're paying attention, to prove that you've showed up here today. And we're going to do the discount of a lifetime. And when I say a lifetime, I literally mean a lifetime. Because that means instead of $497, it's going to go to $317 once. And that's only on this webinar. Every single soul after you will have to pay either monthly or annually. However, you get lifetime access with all the upgrades, all the features, all the trainings ongoingly, plus the entire bundle upgrade. You can literally have this set up within the next 30 minutes and start seeing your store come to life and getting visitors. And to make it the ultimate deal, we're even doing 40 live coupons, first come, first serve, taking it down from $317 even lower to just 267. If you want this, comment live in the chat and the team will drop the link in the chat right now. But it's first come, first served. And trust me, it will never be as low as this ever again. This is honestly your first, last, and final time to be able to snatch this up at this deal of a deal, because everyone after you will pay at least $1,997 or higher. This is world's first and only dedicated deal maker agent that sells any white label AI tool for you in an e-commerce style fashion, and it works like a charm. The results are there. Even beginners are seeing their first 5K days. So it's on you to go ahead and grab this at a steal of a deal. Comment live in the chat. The team will drop the link in the chat right now. If you have any questions, we are live, as you know, so drop them in the chat as well. But honestly, don't hesitate and grab it. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee either way, so you can log in, use it, abuse it, see the results with your own eyes first, and then still decide if you want to keep it. But it is now or never. Comment live in the chat. The team is going to drop the link. And again, this is a steal of a deal. Why? Because it's 267 one time. Normally it is monthly or annual, but you're going to get it one time. You can see right here, the pro upgrade is normally $497 monthly. The unlimited mode is $147 yearly. The digital products mode is $297 monthly, $297 monthly, $197 monthly. The webinar bonus pack that I'm yet to reveal to anyone that grabs this today, let me know. Once you're in, I'm going to go and show you the bonuses. But all you have to do is comment I'm in the chat, and we're going to go ahead and add the bonuses to your account as well. But you'll have to go and grab it right now. Now, before I show the bonuses, there's one more thing. When you grab this, the team has just dropped the link. Team, can you drop the link several times more? Let me know if you can. In case anyone missed it, I would hate for you to miss out, because remember, we only have 40 live coupons. When you have access to this, any AI tool you right now own, just any decent tool, trust me, I've seen tools that I don't even understand how they're selling, but they do. But I know you have access to some really good ones. You know it as well. Give it to Appsfield AI. Let it sell it for you. Let it run traffic for you. Let it set up a store for you, and you'll be amazed. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have lifetime access, and you're operating in a market that is bound to get you sales. Now, you have to see it to believe it. Grab it. Judge it from the inside out. And we'll be there holding your hand and making sure you're getting results as well. Now, if you're lucky, you might even be able to snatch up the expansion pack. I'm not sure we even still have access to this. But this will add 5 more premium, and we keep these very hidden or closed gate kept. 5 more ready to sell AI apps. Those are really, the exact apps we're selling right now that are super lucrative. They sell like hotcakes. These are like 127 once. It's optional. You don't need them. If you feel like I got a ton of my own apps already that I can plug into the store, or I'll just use some of the initial done for you apps that we give you already, which are also really good, then you're completely set. However, if you want to get exclusive access, or even if you can, and I'm not even sure if this is still available, because we keep these very limited. 5 more ready to sell AI apps. Just check this box so you have a green check mark here. And then your store already opens with 10 AI applications. We give 5 premium SaaS products to your DealMaker agent, and you keep 100% of the profit on them. Now, this is as well as a single payment, so it's a 127 once. It is optional. Since you're already getting a steal of the deal with the 267, you might as well add this, but the choice is yours either way. Make sure you grab this right now. If you came here today because you want to finally start selling your AI tools, your white label tools, things you have reseller rights and access to, you're honestly sitting on a gold mine. Make sure you grab this so that gets taken care of. You have something taking care of that in the background. You have something that is selling your AI tools for you around the clock. You don't have to speak to anyone. You don't have to call anyone. You don't have to message anyone. Appsfield takes care of everything for you and creates a professional e-commerce store that looks good, that looks high value, that you can even exit out of down the road or franchise and open up more. Now, if you want this at only $267, we're doing this special only on the webinar. Outside of this webinar, we won't be offering that. So it's only right here, right now. The link is in the chat. I'll ask the team to drop the link every now and then. As soon as you're in, comment, I'm in. So as soon as you grabbed it, come back to the chat, comment, I'm in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to reveal all the bonuses. We're going to give you access to all the bonuses. Are there apps credits to buy? No. You're getting the unlimited. Remember, you're getting the unlimited mode but that's only if you're grabbing this right now on the webinar. That's only if you're grabbing it on the webinar. So that's why, you're getting the biggest bang for your buck. But the most beautiful part of it is you're getting it at getting unlimited and one time. That is almost unheard of nowadays, right? Usually there's some yearly, there's some monthly, because we have, ongoing credits on our end for, all the AI usage that is happening. So therefore, it's almost unheard of nowadays to do yearly or monthly. However, we've been able to negotiate such a good deal only for a handful. That's why we only have 40 coupons right now, where you can grab all of this for just 2671s, and you have unlimited access, unlimited stores, unlimited deal maker conversations. I mean, you're set for life. So you'll be one of the lucky few as well to use this at an unlimited rate, have our support, have our hand holding, and even get access to all the future upgrades. And it won't cost you a dime thereafter. As a matter of fact, you'll only be earning more because your store is growing and growing and growing. So I hope you're excited. Let me know in the chat box if you are. And once again, as soon as you're in, Dave wants the, let's see here. Dave is asking for the SaaS expansion pack. Can we get Dave the SaaS expansion pack? He missed clicking on it, I think somehow. Might be. If it's possible, I'm not sure if it's even still there, Dave. I'm going to try and ask the team if we can get him still the opportunity to grab the premium SaaS expansion pack. Maybe there's a separate order form for it. Please send it over to Dave. If not, Dave, either way, be happy because you got access to the Appsfield AI webinar bundle. And honestly, this is one of the best investments you can make right now, especially in 2026. You can look up the markets. You can look at the data. I mean, the numbers don't lie. AI apps are turning ordinary people, beginners, into wildly successful online earners. It's simply because, now, honestly, I saw not too long ago, true story, I'll look this up in a second even, somebody launched a quit smoking app. Super simple, quit smoking app. It just gives you a nudge. It gives you some tips. If it 100% works, I don't know. It just uses real proven techniques, all, boiled down in an app. You can get the app and then, you can try your best. They're doing over 6 figures annually with that app. Cost them nothing. And they're making back. That's the day and age we live in today. It can be business apps. It can be consumer apps. Point I'm trying to make is apps are right now one of the most lucrative things you can tap into. And having an entire storefront of them, a DealMaker agent, a marketing manager that takes care of everything for you to get ongoing traffic and sales to your Appsfield AI store makes it so darn easy to win in this current market. So there you have it. I see Sai saying, I always love Sai's comment. Sai saying, this is an investment in yourself and your business that, the money back guarantee period allows you to have tremendous ROI if you simply take action. Appreciate you for mentioning that. And there you have it. I see Neil wanting to know more about the 5 special apps in the expansion pack. So team, can we go ahead and answer Neil and give him some additional details on that? Neil, I can tell you those are premium apps. They're high value. There's actually some apps that we're currently, selling ourselves as well. They're doing great numbers. I'll let the team, go into detail in the chat. I see Ilfe asking, are there any monthly fees? No, this is a one-time right here. No monthly, no yearly. Plus, you're getting the unlimited, so no credits to worry about. However, that's only if you grab this right now on the webinar. If you wait, if you sleep on it, if you come back later, none of that will hold. Only if you grab this right now, you will be able to take advantage and get the biggest bang for your buck, hands down. Awesome. So again, let me know if you have any questions. The link is in the chat. And on top of that, this is and will be your only chance to grab this right now while we are live. I'll put everything you're getting on the screen once more. You can see right here, you're going to get the whole 9 yards from top to bottom. The DealMaker agent, the self-fulfilling done-for-you AI app stores, go from one sentence to a live store in under 5 minutes, start selling our done-for-you 10 ready-made AI software products right off the get-go. It greets every visitor, qualifies them, matches them to the perfect product. This already is absolutely powerful in terms of making sure your traffic actually converts. On top of that, it plays the perfect demo at the perfect moment, right inside the chat. Say, hey, welcome. What type of product you're looking for? Okay, awesome. You can find it right here. Let me play a demo of one of our best products that will solve your problem. It will showcase the person that, hey, this is the tool for you. On top of that, it will suggest add-ons and bundles after every yes. So after someone bought, it will tell them, well, you might also be interested in that. And it reports back to you every day with the DealMaker report, the conversations it held, the products it pitched, the leads it captured, and the screenshot your buyers will post on their own. You have an entire money-making engine working for you around the clock, selling all of your AI tools for you. So again, as soon as you're in, let me know in the chat, comment I'm in. And if you haven't done so already, go to the URL that you see in the chat box. I'll ask the team to drop the URL again, because when you are in, I'm going to reveal some insanely powerful bonuses that you're about to get access to. There you go. I see Dave is in. Congratulations to you as well. Now, with that being said, you can trade the agent like a real employee in minutes. You have the special, and this is my favorite, group deals, flash deals, live auctions, and this creates a lot of urgency, you know, where you sell 10 spots for $99 and everybody comes buying that app that they've been eyeing. Now you get paid directly to your own account. You wake up the leads in your inbox every single day. You see a database of buyers and contacts ready. On top of that, you can talk to your store from your phone. So if you want to add a new product to your store, or you want to remove a product, or you want to do a flash sale, you can talk to your store and it will do everything for you. You can put the whole store on your own custom domain. You can remove every limit because you'll have the unlimited. So if you're still wondering, are there credits? Is there anything annual or monthly? If you grab this right now, no store cap, no product cap, no lead cap, an agent that never goes quiet, one upgrade that guarantees that you'll never have a ceiling. And that's the beauty of grabbing things on the webinar. You get the biggest bang for your buck. Awesome. Now, from there, let me go ahead and check with the team if we still even have spots available. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I see we got about just a handful of coupons left, which is good news. So if you're on the fence or you've been waiting, now is the time, because I'm going to reveal some of the bonuses you're getting as well, which will make it even more worth. Remember, you'll be able to sell even info products and keep 100% of the margins, sell Fiverr-style services with the Surface Store mode. On top of that, you get blogs, videos, social posts, and emails created for you with Appsfield AI Marketing Department. Earn from every vendor sale with the Appsfield AI franchise model, and exclusive bonus upgrades. Everybody that has grabbed it or is about to grab it or is grabbing it right now will also get flow motion. This will animate a lot of amazing things on your store, and you can, quite frankly, animate anything. Anything you want to create an animation of, a photo, an image, a video, or a graphic, a flowchart, you have an AI that does it for you. It's very valuable, very rare, and it's a powerful app. On top of that, you'll be able to launch any website besides your SaaS done-for-you stores in a matter of seconds. So you can build beautifully designed websites without any limits. You have our true drag and drop editor, global styling controls, full section customization. This is a bonus if you want to create any websites as well. Now, right here, all of these are for free when you grab this website builder that we use to build all of our websites. What this very website is built on, you get that for free for life. Now, if you know website builders out there, you know, charge quite extensively every single month, you have your own global styling, beautifully, plus all the animations, you have a lifetime access. Now, if you wait, it's going to go up to at least $297 a month. Now, the upgrades will even become more expensive down the road. And if you skip the bundle, you'll always be stuck with the limited features. Only right now, if you lock it all in, you have not only a 30-day money-back guarantee, but you get a special coupon to get the commercial license, the pro version, the unlimited version, the digital products, the marketing department, and the franchise, plus the bonus of Flow Motion and Web Framer. If you use the coupon early50, so I'm going to copy this here and then click on buy now. That coupon will allow you to take this 317 that you see right here. I'll apply the coupon code right here, early50, click on apply, and you'll notice that the price drops down to 267. Now remember, this is a single payment. No additional recurring fees, hosting fees, credits, or none of that. You get everything at a massive 60% plus off. All the upgrades, all the tools, but only if you grab it right now on the webinar. You'll have a self-selling, self-fulfilling, done-for-you AI app store. You can go from one sentence to a live store in under 5 minutes. You have an AI DealMaker engine that sells 10 ready-made AI software products. Plus, you can add in any of your own white label products, and it goes out there and sells it for you ongoingly. So let me know in the chat as soon as you're in, and we're going to add those bonuses to your account immediately. And there you have it. What is included with my own agents and apps? Everything you see right here. And I'll actually go back. I'll go over it one more time. I'm again warning, prices will go up if you wait. So better now than later. On top of that, you're going to get everything you see right here. And with all of it, you have full support, hand-holding training, and quite frankly, the AI will do everything for you. As a matter of fact, let me play the demo one more time so you can see how easy it is.
Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wanted to launch your own self-selling software store, sell AI agents, or offer automated digital products or services without writing a single line of code, you are in the exact right place. This is Appsfield, the all-in-one AI platform that builds, customizes, markets, and automates full-fledged digital marketplaces for you. Right here on our main dashboard, you get a complete command center for your business. At a glance, you can track real-time revenue, monitor your total order volume, see your total customer enrollments, and view dynamic sales graphs that show how your business is performing over time. Let's jump right in and build a brand new AI software marketplace from scratch in under 60 seconds.
To launch a new store, simply click the New Marketplace button at the top right of your screen. First, choose your business model. You can set up a single vendor store, a multi-vendor marketplace, or a specialized marketplace agent store. Let's name our store Local Business Softwares. And now we'll give our AI builder a short brief. We'll type, create a marketplace for local businesses like real estate, gyms, restaurants, and dentists that provides tools to help run their operations. Next, let me show you how fast customization is. Choose your color theme. We offer sleek palettes like Enterprise or Bold. Then pick your storefront style. Themes like Nitro give you an ultra-modern, high-converting dark mode look. Upload your custom logo and favicon directly from the built-in media library. And tag your primary product categories like CRM, marketing, design, and AI agents. Now, watch the magic happen. Click Launch Marketplace. In seconds, Appsfield's AI engines go to work, generating high-converting headline copy, applying your theme, writing custom FAQs, adding customer reviews, importing matching SaaS products, and training your store's dedicated AI sales representative. And just like that, our store is built, published, and completely live. Let's click Visit and open our new storefront. Notice how clean, fast, and professionally branded everything looks. From the headline banner down to the category navigation pills, lifetime deal cards, customer testimonials, and FAQs. It looks like a multi-million-dollar software marketplace built by a team of developers. Now, here is where Appsfield completely changes the game. Meet Ryan, your built-in AI DealMaker sales representative. When a visitor lands on your site, Ryan greets them and acts as a 24/7 interactive sales agent. Let's test it out. The customer clicks Start the Conversation, and Ryan asks for their name and business type. The buyer replies, I run a social media marketing agency. Ryan instantly analyzes their agency model, and recommends the perfect tool from our catalog, Market Genius. Ryan explains how it automates email marketing, breaks down the key features, and gives them a button to watch a live product video. If the customer decides to buy, they don't even have to leave the chat. They simply say, "I want to buy Market Genius." Ryan presents payment options, either full price at $349 or a single share installment at $99. Once selected, a seamless checkout card pops up directly inside the chat window. The customer enters their contact info, chooses their payment method, and completes their purchase in seconds. But what if a client needs something completely custom that isn't listed in your catalog? Watch this. The buyer types, "I want an AI voice calling platform to automate my calling system for support management." Ryan reads their message, understands the intent, and dynamically drafts a customized project proposal right on the spot. It outlines planned features like calling automation, an AI support agent, and database storage. It then collects the lead's name, email, phone number, and business details, submitting a formal custom project request straight to your admin dashboard. That is hands-free, high-ticket selling. As the store owner, you receive instant email notifications the moment a sale or custom proposal comes in. Inside your Appsfield admin panel, under the DealMaker Agent tab, you can inspect full conversation logs, buyer transcripts, lead contact details, and intent tags. You also have total administrative control over your AI sales agent. You can change Ryan's voice model, pick a calm or energetic tone, adjust the chat window position, and change the background themes. Most importantly, under Knowledge Base, you can train your AI agent. You can specify your target audience, upload custom FAQs, add your specific refund policy or money-back guarantee, and give it custom sales instructions so it speaks with your exact brand voice. Over in Page Settings, you can fine-tune your website layout, update promotional banners with custom discount text, enable trust badges like Stripe and PayPal verification, configure payment settings, and connect your own custom domain name so your store remains 100% white-labeled under your brand.
Now, let's look at how you manage products, order fulfillment, and scale your sales. You don't need to create software products from scratch. Under the Products tab, click Import DFY Products. Appsfield gives you access to a catalog of preloaded SaaS tools, lead generators, and AI tools that you can import with a single click. You can set your own prices, add custom video demos, write access instructions, and set custom affiliate commission percentages. When orders come in, managing them is effortless. On the Orders page, you can review incoming transactions, mark manual payments as complete, enter custom license keys or portal access links, and automatically send access delivery emails to your buyers.
For custom proposals submitted by your AI agent, your project requests pipeline lets you track custom jobs from started to completed while automatically keeping your clients updated. To scale your store organically, turn on the built-in affiliate engine. Your customers and partners can apply to promote your store, access their white-labeled affiliate dashboard, grab referral links, and use pre-written email swipes and promotional banners, allowing an army of affiliates to market your store for you. Driving traffic is usually the hardest part of online business, but Appsfield solves this with two built-in traffic engines, inbound SEO and outbound lead generation. For inbound SEO traffic, head to the SEO and Growth section. Our AI keyword generator finds high-converting, low-competition keywords in your niche. Click Generate Blog next to any keyword, and in less than 30 seconds, Appsfield writes and publishes a full multi-section SEO article, complete with headings, formatted copy, featured cover images, and strategic buy buttons linking straight back to your software products. For outbound B2B outreach, launch the built-in Lead Finder tool. Type in any business niche and target city. For example, cafes in Austin.
Click Find Leads, and Appsfield pulls verified business records, phone numbers, and direct email addresses. Click Send Email next to any lead, select a pre-made outreach template, and Appsfield automatically personalizes the message and pitches your software solutions directly to business decision makers. To supercharge your social media and paid advertising, open the store's Marketing Studio. Select your store, pick your aspect ratio, and our generative AI engine creates eye-catching graphic ads and realistic UGC video promos, complete with AI avatars, voiceovers, and captions, ready to run on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Finally, link your account to Telegram. Scan the QR code, and you'll get instant push notifications delivered straight to your phone whenever you make a sale, capture a new lead, or receive a project request. In summary, Appsfield gives you store creation, automated 24/7 AI sales reps, done-for-you software catalogs, automated order delivery, AI blogging, B2B lead outreach, social ad creation, and mobile alerts, all in one unified platform. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Launch your marketplace and start making sales today.
Start making sales today. That's exactly what's going to happen when you have access to nothing less than Appsfield AI, the commercial, the pro, the unlimited, the digital products, the franchise. You have everything you need to absolutely dominate and start winning. Even a testimonials manager, custom section boxes, email integration, customer database, sales charts, instant live store URL. Everything you need completely automated by world's first DealMaker agent. Now, with that being said, this is one of your last and final chances to go ahead and grab this. And trust me when I say this is one of the must-haves if you're sitting on an AI white label tool. As a matter of fact, when I went back to the slide deck here, and earlier in this very presentation, I have asked one very important question, and that is, have you ever bought an AI white label app? I could immediately see the majority, if not almost everyone, said yes. And if you said yes, you were more than familiar with having spent money on these white label reseller apps, but you had no way to sell them. For some reason, no buyers, no matter what you tried, and it feels like you've tried it all, but yet to see results. And the problem was you don't have a reliable way to sell your AI apps on autopilot. And that's exactly what Pankaj and Deepankar have solved in a way you've never seen before. And that's why when you have access to Appsfield AI, which you've just seen, you'll own high-demand apps for any niche. You get paying customers. You get real recurring income. It doesn't require any tech skills. You don't need to worry about traffic. And the best part is, like I said, you don't need sales skills. You don't need to talk to people, persuade people, chase people. You don't need marketing skills. You don't need to post on socials. You don't need to be technical. Everything is completely set up for you to start earning. And it's not just that. The markets, looking at the data, demand for AI apps is experiencing explosive growth. On top of that, even Amazon went ahead and mentioned it. Everywhere you go, you see the AI app sector is experiencing massive expansion. And right now, despite the demand, people that own perfectly sellable apps have no way to sell them. And that's because normally it requires not only a lot of time and money, but it would normally cost you at least $2,000 just to get things set up. And that's all about to change because you were smart enough to go ahead and grab Appsfield AI. You see, what Pankaj and Deepankar did, they spent years creating a DealMaker agent, training it to sell some of their highest performing apps. And every time it got better and better and better to the point it can now set up entire stores and knows exactly what to sell to who around the clock. And imagine having access, even close your eyes for a second if you have to, and imagine you have access to the newest technology in AI that sells your AI apps for you 24/7. That's exactly what you can expect once you have Appsfield AI. The simple 3-step AI app income. You pick any of the done-for-you reseller apps or you upload your own. From there, you instantly launch your own SaaS marketplace and your DealMaker agent drives the traffic, demos the app, and sells the app for you. Plus, you can use it for clients as well. It's one of the easiest revenue streams right now, and people are literally making money while they sleep. Now, if you want to experience what that's like, or at least take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee to experience it from the inside out, you'll be able to snatch it up right now, the whole 9 yards. 10 ready-to-sell AI software products. The DealMaker will sell it for your own AI software marketplace. Plus, you'll be able to go from zero to a wildly profitable store with the entire bundle included, which means the premium account, the pro upgrade, the unlimited mode, the digital products, the marketing mode, the franchise, and the webinar bonus pack. What you have access to combined can easily make you $5K per month. We've gone through the testimonials, the case studies, the results. The proof is in the pudding. And instead of 6,997 or even 3,497, if we run the math, you've already seen that in 30 days, you can easily make at least 14K. That is by the numbers, because Appsfield AI has a built-in earning mechanism. This is not one of those tools where you get it and you have to figure out how to make money with it. This is one of those tools where you get it and it starts making money for you. And to make sure of that, we give you support, hand-holding, training on the inside, plus a risk-free money-back guarantee to even see and try it out as much as you want within the first 30 days. So instead of 1,997, instead of 497 annual, if you commented live, make sure you've done so. We're going to drop it not just the 317 one time, but even better, if you snatch one of the last remaining coupons, you get it at just 2,671. And if you're still lucky, you might be able to get the SaaS expansion pack to add 5 highly sellable premium converting apps that we currently sell ourselves added to your store. Now, these are extremely limited edition and they're in extremely high demand. So if you can, since you're already getting an amazing discount on the entire pack, check this green box right here and snatch it up, and all of it one time. No credits, no hidden fees, no monthlies, no annuals. Plus, you're getting unlimited mode. You're completely set and ready to crush it. So I hope you're excited. Once again, the link is in the chat. Sai saying app market is $1 trillion business. And this is literally just scratching the surface. And the bundle is like giving away the entire farm. This is levels beyond. And you hit the nail right on the head. This is e-commerce in one of the most lucrative industries in a way nobody else can do it like you right now, simply because you have advantage and access to Appsfield AI. Now, congratulations with your access. Once again, I'm super excited to have you on board. And in case you missed it, I'll recap one last and final time everything you're getting access to here today. And that means the moment this ends is the moment it slips away from your hands. You're back to collecting dust on all your AI white label tools. At least try it out for 30 days. Because trust me, you have tools that deserve to be sold. You have tools that need to see the light of day. And Appsfield will make sure of that. Right here, you're going to get the entire commercial license, giving you access to 10 done-for-you AI app stores, 10 ready-sell done-for-you software products, DealMaker AI sales agent, visitor qualification, in-chat demo video playback, the built-in upsell engine, realistic AI voice, the custom knowledge base, the custom agent, 4 chat layouts, 13 background teams, DealMaker conversation reports, built-in leads inbox, the AI marketplace store builder, the live store creation, the full page builder with live preview, 3 professional store templates, group Ds, single purchase, dual mode deals, live auctions. It's going above and beyond to sell your app while you sleep. And we literally have users that are making money while they sleep. Wake up, they see your store, made a whole bunch of new sales. And this is just the start. You're getting the pro version where you can edit and command your entire agent and store from Telegram. Plus, you're getting 5 premium store teams. You have custom SMTP, automated SSL. You have all the pro features, the unlimited features, so you never have to worry about credits. And then on top of that, digital products to increase the average order value, make it even more valuable, and the franchise where you can literally take your store, franchise it out, and make money from other stores that are running. Kind of having affiliates use what you have built and then giving you your fair share of the pie. And to make sure your store is always getting visitors, you obviously have the Appsfield marketing department. Every single store will always have eyeballs on there because of the marketing department. Now, all of this you can grab at literally just 2,671s. A steal of a deal, but only if you grab it right now. I'm going to ask the team to drop the link one last and final time in the chat. And then from there, It is now or never. So team, please drop the link one more time. They just did. Thank you so much. And when you click the link, it will take you to this page right here. And all you have to do on this very page is click on the buy now. Now make sure you copy the coupon code that says early50 and click on the buy now. It will take you down here. And once again, note you have, and I can show it to you black and white, literally 30 days return policy. So you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Simply enter your name and email here, enter the coupon code, don't forget. And then you can either use credit card by clicking credit card, filling out the details, or PayPal, and it will prompt the PayPal checkout sequence. And again, 267 apply with the coupon. If you're lucky enough, you'll still be able to get the premium expansion pack. All you have to do is check the box here to make that happen. All of this is a one-time purchase, but you'll have to grab it right now. Like I said before, the link's in the chat. Super excited to have you on. And for those of you that are wondering, well, do I have any support? You know, is anyone there to help us? 100% yes. So I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Let me know if you did. I hope you enjoyed today's webinar. Let me know if you did. To drop a yes in the chat box if you have. Let me put the slides back up here. And once again, you're getting the premium, the pro, the unlimited, the digital products, the marketing mode, the franchise, the bonus pack. More importantly, just to put it in a nutshell, long story short, just to give you a really good idea of what's going to happen and what you're getting access to, especially the people that are already in. Once again, congratulations. Right now, people are silently making thousands of dollars online selling AI apps. Literally. AI resume app, making 4K per month. An app that helps you write better on LinkedIn, 5K. A document translation app, 125K a month. These are simple apps that you could have sold. There's nothing different from you and them. They're not marketing geniuses. They just have a system to sell the apps, to get it in front of the right people. And that's finally what you're getting. Listen, the market is drastically changing. Information and services have become a commodity, and therefore, apps are the fastest way to create a wildly profitable business. People are buying AI apps to save time and money. And what's even crazier is that anyone can do this without posting on socials, without joining some program, without running paid ads, without struggling for traffic, without doing sales calls. The shift is real. It's turning beginners into profitable app owners. And if you've ever bought a white label AI app, then you have all the reason to grab this right now, try it out for 30 days, and then see the results with your own eyes. My name's Raheem. Make sure you go ahead and snatch up one of the last and final coupons in the chat, because instead of 1997, heck, instead of 497, instead of 317, you'll be able to snatch it up at 2671. The lowest will ever be. Go to the URL in the chat, and I'll see you on the inside. Not to forget, the room is still open. The chat will be open for a little bit longer. If you have any final questions, the team will go ahead and answer them. But in seconds from now, if not, less than a minute, the doors will close. So there you have it. Again, I see, Neil, your question just got answered. Congratulations. Super excited to see you on the inside. Amazing. So again, if you have any questions, drop in the chat. The team is answering them. I'm going to go ahead and help them in the chat as well. In the meanwhile, while this webinar is running, you have the ability to grab it at the massive discount that you see it for right now. But again, that's only and utterly if you grab this right now while we are alive. I do want to explicitly double down on that, because I know you will want this. You will want to come back for it. You won't find it, and you'll look back and regret, because all those apps that you have reseller rights to could be making you money right now as we speak. But that means you need to grab it once at the lowest discount possible, which is right here on this webinar, but only while we're live. Now, if you have any questions, drop them in the chat. But if I can honestly just speak from the heart here, if you look around, the people that are making sometimes, if not almost all the times, the most money are the ones that are selling apps, some lucrative software, some genius software. And I love buying them personally all the time, right? I love them. I love a good app that can help me and solve any problem, automated for me, will save me time. And at the end of the day, time is the most expensive currency. I'll do anything to save more time or get more time. And that's why apps have this intrinsic value that is priceless, because they are made to save you time, and you can't put a price on time. Stepping into this very market in this competitive and unfair advantage way, where you'll stand above everyone else because you have Appsfield AI, something that the moment you demo or show it to anyone else, or the moment you show your store, they'll quite frankly wonder and envy, how have you set this up? How do you have such a genius AI that is selling your apps for you? And then what becomes even better, you start showing the results of your store, your income. You start making a few screenshots. You'll have people chasing you down, asking you, can you help them with that? Can you do it for them? And that's when you start ascending from, having an e-commerce store to now maybe you're potentially doing a little bit of coaching, you're doing some franchise. That's when you start going to what it takes to actually be a wildly successful online entrepreneur. So again, I just wanted to leave those final words. And if you're on the fence, just know you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So at least try it out for your own good. You do have apps that deserve to get sold. Just nobody knows about them. Nobody knows you have them, so nobody sees them. But the moment people do, you start seeing cash flow coming in. And if you want to know what that's like, just try it out for 267. Just park the 267. See it as an investment. And quite honestly, if I might say so, it's an investment in a stock that you know is guaranteed to go up, because these apps are going to get sold for you. All you have to do is go to the URL. I'll ask the team to drop the link a final time. I see we only have one coupon left. So if you've been looking for a sign, this is it right here. The link's in the chat, 267 one time. Team just dropped the link. With that being said, I'm going to go into the chat. You'll get all the support, and I'll see you on the inside.
The front-end offer is the core package that gives you everything needed to launch and start selling right away. You get a complete AI app store that's stocked with 10 ready-to-sell AI apps. The package includes up to 3 stores, 50 products in each store, 500 agent conversations every month, 1,000 leads, 10 blog posts per month, and 2 store themes. The DealMaker Agent and ShareClose system handle the entire sales process for you. It greets visitors, recommends products, plays demos inside the chat, speaks with a realistic voice, handles objections, and closes the sale while you simply share one link. You can train the agent with your own prices, offers, guarantees, and approved responses so it stays accurate. Automatic upsells, group deals, flash coupons, and live auctions help raise order values. Daily reports and lead tracking keep everything organized through the dashboard or Telegram. You can also sell your own white label apps, guides, templates, courses, and services while accepting payments directly through PayPal or wire transfer with automatic product delivery. Tax tools, trust badges, full store customization, SEO features, advertising tracking, a complete customer database with CSV export, and a full commercial license are all included, so you can even build stores for clients and keep 100% of the earnings. OTO 1 is Appsfield AI Pro. This upgrade unlocks Client Finder so you can search the built-in buyer database, reach out to prospects, and find potential clients fast. It adds Telegram integration for live sale alerts and store reports straight to your phone. You also get custom domain and SSL setup through one simple CNAME record, custom SMTP, so store emails come from your own domain, 5 premium store themes including Aurora by Nicaea, Neon Grid, Nitro, and Astra, extra realistic agent voices, character chat layouts that show a full standing AI figure, a bulk product importer for hundreds of items through CSV or links, and priority support for quicker help whenever you need it. OTO 2 is Appsfield AI Unlimited. This removes every limit from the core package. You get unlimited stores, unlimited products in each store, unlimited DealMaker Agent conversations, unlimited leads captured and stored, unlimited SEO blog posts, plus unlimited coupons, group deals, and auctions, so your business can grow without restrictions. OTO 3 is Appsfield AI Digital Products and Services. This opens the door to sell information products and services at full profit. You receive 10 done-for-you information products, ready to add right away, plus room for up to 50 of your own offers. It revives older PLR and ebook licenses by attaching an AI salesperson, activates services store mode for freelance and Fiverr-style offers, lets the DealMaker agent explain, pitch, and close service-based sales through chat, and keeps 100% profit margins because payments go directly to your connected account at the prices you set. OTO 4 is Appsfield AI Marketing Department. This turns your store into a content machine. You get scheduled blog publishing that posts fresh SEO content every week automatically, AI-generated marketing images for your products, AI promotional videos created without extra editing tools, social media auto-posting to your connected channels, and automated email campaigns that follow up with every captured lead through scheduled sequences. OTO 5 is Appsfield AI Franchise. This is the agency-level upgrade. It enables multi-vendor store mode, so you can accept vendor applications and control shelf space, flexible commission settings with default minimum and maximum rates, automated vendor payouts that hold funds during the refund window, a built-in affiliate program for applications, payouts, and announcements, unlimited client stores with separate sub-account logins, theme deployment that applies one successful design across multiple client accounts, and a done-for-you service kit with ready-made proposals, contracts, and pricing guidance so you can sell store-building services at your own price. Do you want to grab everything in one go at a massively discounted price? The complete bundle includes the front-end offer along with OTO 1 Appsfield AI Pro, OTO 2 Appsfield AI Unlimited, OTO 3 Appsfield AI Digital Products and Services, OTO 4 Appsfield AI Marketing Department, and OTO 5 Appsfield AI Franchise. This is the best value package because it hands you the full system to launch stores, remove every limit, sell digital products and services at full profit, automate your marketing, and even run a multi-vendor franchise or agency business. You can maximize traffic, open multiple income streams, and scale as far as you want without any restrictions holding you back. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Stunning infographics generator. Imagine typing in a single keyword, niche, or topic, and instantly generating 30 ready-to-use, breathtaking infographics based on literally any idea you can come up with. That is exactly what you are getting with the Stunning Infographics Generator. With just a couple of clicks, you can instantly pump out viral-style niche infographics that people love to share, high-converting infographic ads designed to sell your offers, and scroll-stopping social posts to keep your feeds active every single day. You can also create promotional graphics for affiliate products that actually get clicks, as well as value-packed visual assets for your ebooks, coaching, SaaS, courses, and lead magnets. Plus, you get attention-grabbing graphics tailored specifically for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, your blog, and beyond. Now, here is the absolute best part. These are not your typical boring graphics. These visuals are custom engineered to stop people dead in their tracks while they are scrolling. We are talking clean, modern layouts, bold, readable text, high-contrast colors, and save-worthy visuals built specifically to hijack attention and drive engagement. And the real beauty of this tool? Zero complex image editing required. 0 embarrassing spelling errors to fix, 0 tedious writing from scratch, and 0 brain-draining guesswork. Literally, all you have to do is open the stunning infographics generator, feed it your topic, and let the AI handle 100% of the heavy lifting. It is fast, it is effortless, and it is included as part of this bonus package when you lock in your access today. Vibrant Infographic Ads Creator. If you have ever wanted to turn a long, boring sales page into a visual ad that actually gets clicks, this tool is going to blow you away. The Vibrant Infographic Ads Creator generates offer-specific infographics directly from your sales pages. You literally just paste in the sales page or landing page URL of whatever you are promoting, whether that is affiliate offers, courses, coaching, ebooks, lead magnets, SaaS products, school groups, Amazon items, or products on platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. And once again, the setup is almost laughably simple. Here is all you do. Step 1. Enter your offer title. Step 2. Choose either a light or dark infographic background. Optionally, you can add a customized footer call to action, like link in comments, visit my website.com, DM me the word info, or your social media handle. That is basically it. Vibrant Infographic Ads Creator then instantly generates 20 different infographic ad styles designed specifically for promoting offers. You get styles like offer snapshots, value stacks, transformation paths, feature to benefit graphics, and so much more. All you do is choose your style, let AI process your sales page copy or offer description, and watch it build the finished infographic for you based entirely on that offer. It effortlessly turns boring sales copy into attention-grabbing, high-converting social media ads that stop the scroll instantly. The next bonuses I will introduce to you are all about handy tools to grow an online agency business. First, we have Consulting Agency Pitch Deck and Rate Sheet. If you want to pitch your AI automation and coaching services to corporate clients with total confidence, this is your secret weapon. It gives you a high-performance, fully customizable presentation framework that lets you cleanly outline your pricing tiers and define your exact AI bot services. It is the ultimate tool to turn cold prospects into high-paying agency clients. Next up, we have the Premium Client Coaching Workbook, complete with agency resell rights. This gives you a beautifully crafted, highly practical workbook to hand directly to your clients. It serves as the ideal companion tool, helping your clients step by step as they actionably implement the strategies from your consulting, their internal teams, or the custom AI bots you deploy for them. Moreover, you get full access to the unlimited AI graphics suite for agencies. You get access to a powerful commercial-grade AI image generator built specifically to handle high-volume visual creation with zero restrictions. Whether you need eye-catching visual assets for your own brand or high-impact marketing graphics for your clients, this tool lets you produce stunning visuals instantly. Additionally, we are featuring the Automated AI Article Writer, complete with a full agency license. This tool lets you streamline your content marketing and scale your SEO efforts with an advanced AI writing assistant built to rank on search engines. You can generate search-friendly, natural-sounding blog posts at scale for your own sites or client projects, driving massive passive traffic while staying completely undetected by search algorithms. Moving forward, you will also unlock the high-converting local landing page builder. This toolkit allows you to deploy optimized, easily customizable landing pages built specifically for local lead generation. You can effortlessly build lead capture funnels that gather emails and appointments for local small businesses, with the perfect layouts ready to embed your custom AI bots for maximum engagement. Another fantastic addition is the Professional Agency Portfolio Creator. This is the premier solution for displaying your freelance work or agency services in a sleek, high-end format. It replaces complex web setups with clean, striking portfolio galleries, helping you showcase your capabilities professionally so you can build instant trust and close new clients significantly faster. On top of that, we have the Smart Appointment Scheduler tool with full commercial access. This lets you integrate a seamless, fully featured booking system directly onto any website to automate client scheduling effortlessly. It is simple to configure, ultra user-friendly, and removes all friction from the booking process for your agency and your clients. Conversions Booster Pro with extended developer rights. This lead generation toolkit is engineered to skyrocket your conversions and capture visitor attention right before they leave your page. Without writing a single line of code, you can instantly launch custom exit intent pop-ups, scroll-triggered overlays, and timed capture forms for your own business or your clients. 50,000 plus AI Mega Prompt Bundle for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or any AI. This is a complete library of battle-tested AI prompts engineered to generate viral content, stunning visuals, and passive income streams in seconds rather than hours. Inside this mega bundle, you get over 21,000 AI art and image prompts for Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo AI. You can effortlessly create product mock-ups, logos, scroll-stopping social graphics, and realistic photos to build a portfolio or sell print-on-demand products on Etsy and Redbubble without hiring expensive designers. You also get over 1,000 advanced AI mastery prompts featuring carefully structured frameworks for ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, and DeepSeek. These do the heavy lifting to deliver expert-level outputs and automate your daily repetitive tasks. On top of that, you unlock over 3,000 video generation prompts for Sora, Runway, and Pika to produce short-form videos, animated explainers, B-roll, and storyboards for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram without any costly camera gear. You will also receive over 7,500 social media content prompts packed with viral hooks, story frameworks, carousel structures, video scripts, and content calendars to grow your following on autopilot. Additionally, you get over 6,000 Etsy and e-commerce prompts tailored for Shopify, Amazon, and online stores to generate product descriptions, SEO listings, marketing copy, and customer support responses that convert browsers into buyers. And to top it all off, you get over 10,000 ChatGPT prompts covering business strategy, email sequences, sales pages, course outlines, and complex problem solving to build your entire business infrastructure effortlessly. It works seamlessly with virtually any AI tool on the market, and it is included as part of this exclusive bonus collection today. Now, let's check out the software demo to see how it works in action.
Hey, I'm Dipankar Rajora, alongside my partner Pankaj Malav. Today, we're showing you something nobody else has built, the world's only agentic self-selling store builder, a complete done-for-you business that's up and running in minutes and keeps working 24/7, 365 days without you lifting a finger. Let's get started. From the Appsfield dashboard, you get an instant high-level view of your business, tracking live products, total orders, customers, total revenue, and detailed sales analytics all in one place. Scrolling down to My Stores, you can view and manage all your active AI storefronts. Let's create a brand new marketplace from scratch. Click on New Marketplace in the top right. Choose your marketplace type. We'll select Single Vendor. Name your store AI Generative Store, and Appsfield automatically generates your store URL slug. Now, give the marketplace agent a simple prompt describing what you want to sell. Here, we type Create Store for selling AI software for local businesses like gyms, cafes, and real estate. Click Next.
Next, choose your color theme presets, such as Standard, Minimal, Bold, or Enterprise. We'll keep it on Standard and hit Next. Select your storefront visual style from templates like Aurora, Batasso, Neon Grid, or Nitro. Once you've chosen your preferred look, click Next. In the branding settings, fine-tune your brand colors using the color pickers to select your primary and accent shades. Click Browse to upload your custom logo and favicon directly from your media library. Then click Next. Choose your product categories from the suggested list, such as CRM, AI and ML, and design. You can also type and add custom categories like Agent. When ready, click Next. Review your store configuration, including marketplace type, theme style, and selected categories, and click Launch Marketplace.
Now, sit back while Appsfield's AI builds your store in real time. It automatically sets up the storefront, applies your branding, writes hero copy, generates FAQs and testimonials, preloads matching products, and trains your AI sales agent. Once published, you'll see a Marketplace Launched confirmation. Find your new store under My Stores and click Visit. Your new storefront opens automatically. Notice how the AI sales agent, Jake, pops up immediately to assist visitors. Let's close the pop-up for a moment to explore the page. The AI has generated a complete storefront, including hero banners, featured exclusive deals, category filters, real customer reviews, value propositions, and fully functional FAQ accordions. Now, let's test the AI sales agent. Click the chat widget and select Start the Conversation. Jake welcomes the visitor and asks for their name. We type in Dipankar Rajora. Jake asks what business we run. We answer real estate. Recognizing the niche, Jake instantly recommends the Real Estate AI Assistant and embeds an interactive product card directly inside the conversation. Clicking Tell Me More prompts Jake to explain key features and present instant purchasing options right inside the chat window. When the customer clicks Buy, an embedded checkout form opens directly in the chat, eliminating the need to leave the conversation or navigate away. After filling in buyer details and selecting a payment option, like manual bank transfer or card, the order is immediately confirmed inside the chat. Now let's see what happens when a client needs software that isn't currently listed in your store. We tell Jake, I want AI automation software for a school. Jake acts as an expert sales consultant, asking probing questions to uncover pain points and guiding the client forward. When the client specifies managing staff and students and their performance, based on the client's answers, Jake dynamically generates a comprehensive custom scope titled School Performance Management System, outlining all key features and capabilities. The client clicks to send the proposal, fills in their business contact details, and submits the custom request directly to the store owner. Immediately, an automated confirmation email is delivered to the client's inbox containing the full feature breakdown of their custom project request. Switching back to the merchant dashboard, open the Orders section to view newly placed purchases. Here we see the $399 order for the Real Estate AI Assistant currently marked as pending. Change the payment status to paid and order status to completed. Enter the software login URL or license key, then click Save and mark Delivered. The customer receives an instant order confirmation email with a direct link to open their personal client portal. Inside their client portal, customers can securely view order receipts and access their purchased software links at any time. Finally, under Project Requests, merchants can track custom lead proposals, review client requirements, and update project status stages like Started or In Progress, keeping clients informed every step of the way. Appsfield also gives you complete control over your store and AI agent. You can train your agent with custom business knowledge to deliver optimized responses, customize your page content and branding on the fly, and insert tracking scripts like Facebook and Google Pixel codes. Easily set up your store on a custom domain and configure payment options for PayPal or direct bank transfers. With one-click theme updates, you can switch your storefront's visual design instantly without breaking or changing any of your existing settings. To drive targeted organic traffic, the built-in AI blog creator discovers high-performing keywords for your niche, generates full SEO-optimized articles, and publishes them directly to your store in seconds. And when you're ready to prospect for new clients, use the integrated lead finder to uncover verified business leads in any industry or city. The AI then writes personalized outreach emails and sends them to your prospects instantly. And that's all about Appsfield AI.
Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault. a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
That brings us to the end of this review. Appsfield AI gives you a fast way to launch a branded store stocked with ready-to-sell AI apps, an agent that handles the full sales conversation for you, the freedom to add your own products and services, direct payments with automatic delivery, and the tools to scale into marketing automation or even a full agency business while keeping 100% of every sale.
Right now, while you're watching this, an AI just closed a sale for someone who was asleep. No human touched that conversation. No one answered that question. No one sent that offer. An AI agent did all of it, found the buyer's objection, handled it, closed the deal, and pinged its owner's phone with the money notification. And here's the part that should make you sit up. You can own one of these, starting today. Let's talk about the smartest place to be selling right now: software. The global software market is worth nearly $1 trillion this year, and it's racing past $2 trillion. It's one of the fastest growing, highest margin markets on the planet because software costs nothing to copy, nothing to ship, and sells at almost pure profit. And here's what most people miss. The buyers aren't just tech companies. Every business needs software now. The local dentist needs booking software. The restaurant needs review tools.
The agency needs CRM and automation. The online store needs everything. Local and online businesses are hungry for software, and they're buying it every single day from whoever shows up in front of them. Demand has never been higher. The margins are unbeatable. The market is exploding. So why aren't you collecting from this gold mine? You already know why. Because selling to businesses has always been brutal. Cold calls that go nowhere, mailing sequences nobody opens, meetings that get rescheduled 3 times, follow-ups on follow-ups on follow-ups. Then writing proposals late at night, chasing decision makers for weeks to maybe close one deal. That grind is the wall between you and the trillion-dollar gold mine. It's why the money stays with big companies that can afford sales teams. Until now. Because as of today, every piece of that grind is gone. We've built the world's first self-selling AI software marketplace. The store, the products, the marketing, and the closer, fused into one machine by the newest wave of agentic AI. Introducing Appsfield AI, the world's first self-selling AI software store builder with a DealMaker Agent built in. Create your store, set up your agent, generate leads and sales in no time. It auto-handles buyer objections, sells your products, and brings you new project scopes and leads. And listen, because I know you've seen tools before, this isn't one. No new skills to learn. No other subscriptions to buy. No extra costs stacked on later. You describe your store in a few sentences. AI builds the complete marketplace, header to footer. It comes loaded with 10 of the most advanced, ready-to-sell software products, enough to open a real store business overnight. First, calling automation with Lead Finder finds business leads and calls them automatically. The one that makes owners lean forward. Every business wants more customers. Nobody wants to make the calls. Second, Business and Personal Manager Agent, an AI assistant that keeps a business owner's day, tasks, and priorities in order. The kind of tool people try to hire an assistant for. Third, Email Automation. Connects to Gmail and Brevo and handles the follow-up emails that businesses know they should be sending and never do. Fourth, all-in-one image and video generator. Creates images and video from a prompt. Every business that posts anything online needs this every single week. Fifth, Magic Designer and Production Assistant. Handles the design work that owners currently pay freelancers for or avoid doing entirely. 6. Generative Studio. Creates short AI video clips and ads. Ad creative is the thing local businesses run out of fastest. 7. AI Music Generator. Original music on demand for videos, ads, and content with no licensing headaches. 8. Professional Headshot and Model Generator. Studio quality headshots and model images without a photographer, including multi-character shots. Every owner has bad photos of themselves and knows it. 9. AI Hook Generator. Writes the opening lines that stop the scroll for ads, videos, and posts. 10. QR Code Generator. Create QR codes for websites, customer reviews, product pages, checkout links, payments, social media, and more. All accessible with one quick scan.
And your DealMaker agent runs the sales floor 24/7, 365. Your own self-selling software business, up and running, around the clock. Now watch what this agent actually does, because this is what no one else on earth has. It consults like a professional. A business owner lands on your store. Instead of leaving them to dig through hundreds of products, your DealMaker agent asks smart questions about their business and handpicks exactly what they need. No browsing, no confusion. Straight to, this is the one. It kills every doubt on the spot. Any question, any product, answered instantly. It even walks buyers through demos so they understand exactly what they're getting. Objections handled in real time, buying decisions made fast with zero human involvement. It closes and collects. Proposal, close, order, payment. Your phone lights up wherever you are. And then, the move nobody has ever seen. When a buyer needs something that isn't even on your marketplace, your DealMaker agent doesn't lose the deal. It creates a custom proposal for them right inside the conversation and sends it to you instantly. You wake up to deals you never pitched, proposals you never wrote, cash opportunities you never chased. And somewhere in this process, it hits you. You're not running a business. You're owning one. A self-running operation with a single employee that never sleeps. No calls, no mails, no chasing, no grind. And the machine comes fully loaded. A built-in affiliate system, just like JVZoo and ClickBank, so affiliates drive buyers to your store and your DealMaker agent closes them. PayPal and Stripe integrated, paid from day one worldwide. Built-in SEO and blogs, high-performing keywords, auto-published pages, free organic traffic growing your store, duration-based deals, flash offers that make your agent close even harder. One dashboard, every order, every inquiry, every proposal.
So stack it up. A complete AI-built software marketplace, 10 advanced ready-to-sell products, marketing on tap, your own affiliate platform, payments integrated, and your DealMaker agent, consultant, demo giver, closer, and proposal writer in one. A single human sales rep costs you thousands every month, works 8 hours, needs weekends, and still lets leads slip. Your DealMaker agent works around the clock, every day of the year. And during this launch, no salary, no monthly fee. You get it once, and you own it. Now hear this clearly, because it's the difference between a smart decision and an expensive regret. This launch gives you Appsfield AI, the entire business, agent included, for a one-time payment. The moment this window closes, Appsfield AI moves to monthly subscription pricing. Wait, and you'll pay monthly for life. Move now, and you never pay again. And you risk nothing. Get in. Let AI build your store. Put your DealMaker agent in front of real visitors. If it's not everything I've shown you today, email us. Get every penny back. No questions. No hassle. So, here's where you stand. The trillion-dollar software goldmine is right there. Businesses are hungry. Demand has never been higher. You can keep watching it from the outside, grinding, chasing, cold calling your way toward deals that go to someone else. Or you can own the machine that mines it for you. Store built, shelves stocked, traffic growing, deals closing, proposals landing in your inbox around the clock. Click the button below right now, and tonight, while you sleep, your DealMaker agent starts its first shift. Appsfield AI, your own self-selling software business. Up and running 24/7.
If you are ready to get started, check out the link in the description for all the information about the products, the best coupons and bonuses available right now, and exactly how to claim those bonuses. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.